Hello friends, welcome to our channel Prabhat Exam, your one-stop destination for competitive exams preparations. Friends, UPSC Civil Service exam over the years has turned into one of the most competitive exams of the world. Every year, millions of aspirants from different corners of the country appear for this exam. Hence, it is important that we strategize better to stay ahead of the rest. In the video, we will explain you how to study current affairs for IAS exam. Let's start. Current affairs can be easily called the most important part of UPSC preparations. A candidate who has good hold over it definitely has more chances to clear the exam. Be it prelims, mains or interview, current affairs has become the deciding factor of selection at every stage of the exam. Now, the question arises, how to prepare current affairs from the exam point of view? Here are few tips from our side. Number 1. Read newspapers daily. Newspapers are a key source of current affairs, and once you are able to develop a habit of reading newspapers, the time taken by you to finish it will reduce automatically. Reading newspapers help a long way in IAS preparations. All the IAS toppers talk about the importance of reading newspapers while preparing for the exam. Number 2. Read magazines such as Yojana and Kurukshetra. These magazines are published by Government of India and give an insight of the government policies. These are the best sources to read about new schemes and policies. They can be brought from any bookstall or even online. Number 3. Follow YouTube channels such as Rajya Sabha and Prabhat Exam. These channels cover topics of current affairs in an interactive manner. Prabhat Exam's current affairs show is a must watch. It covers daily current affairs and news of different newspapers and web portals from competitive exams point of view. The link of the show is in description below. Friends, this will be it from our side for today's video. For more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.